Welcome back to the Grandmaster Troll channel. I'm back at it again, bringing some more car content. Today, we're going to take this thing out right here. We're going to take the Skydio 2 drone out. We're going to see if it can follow me across the city of Hayward. So we just turned it on. It should be trying to connect to the beacon. It's going to take a while, but we're going to try and fly this across the city of Hayward from my house to a car meet, see if it'll be able to keep up with us. So we're going to get this in the air. I'm going to connect it to my phone. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're back on. We're on the street. The drone is tracking me. It's doing a pretty good job of keeping up so far. It's dodging all the power lines, which is good, which is perfect. Do you want to work or not? This camera does not want to work for some reason. It wants to work. Is the drone gonna stay behind me as we make this left turn? Bam, it stayed behind me. It's still with me, still following. Still doing its job. Let's see if I can show you guys from what I'm looking at. My camera does not want to record. But the drone is still behind me though. Still keeping up. We haven't hit the city yet. The city is going to be the test. Oh! And it hit a power line and went down. Somewhere. There it is. And it's shattered in pieces. Wow. Wow. This is exactly why I didn't really use this drone when I had it, because this is what happened. It hit a power line and it crashed and it destroyed in pieces. So this will ruin this video right here. I'm gonna have to send it in, get it replaced, or just buy a new one. Whichever one is cheaper, but that is the end of the Skydio 2 drone right here. The gimbal completely destroyed. It hit it. It couldn't dodge a power line. So we're going to look at the tape and see what happened. It's your boy GMT. Thank you guys for watching this very, very short video.